Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming back. This is your host Shiv again, and wow, we are just about to touch 7,000 US dollar mark. So 6,923 as of now. And one of the biggest news, as if you have observed yesterday, all of a sudden there was a spike in Bitcoin price, and that was because of this news. So the CME Group has announced that they will be doing future trading of Bitcoin on Wall Street. And so finally the Bitcoin is going to hit the Wall Street, right? And so what is CME Group? So I just did a little bit of Google. So CME Group is an American financial market company operating in world's largest options and future exchange, guys. So Bitcoin is just about to become mainstream. This is amazing. Let's have a look at this news, and then let's have a look at the cryptocurrency market cap, and then we will come to this listings of Bitcoin future on Wall Street. So are we very close to the Bitcoin adoption? Are we going to hit about 10,000 US dollar in the next 1 or 2 months? Anything can happen, possibly. Anything can happen. We just about touched about 5,000 and 6,000. Now we are close to 7,000, guys. Excitement, a lot of excitement. Let's have a look at cryptocurrency market cap straight away. So you have Bitcoin 6,923, up $115 billion. Just about a week back, we were about $100 billion, right? Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Guys, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button so that you're updated to all this news and update. There's so much of things happening into cryptocurrency. It doesn't matter which part of the world you are, right? Whether you're from India, whether you're from Australia, any corner of the world, you got to update it with the cryptocurrencies news and updates so that you can make the best out of this time. Mm, take the best action possible for yourself, and that's only possible if you're updated with all the happenings around the globe. So let's have a quickly look into this cryptocurrency market cap. So very close to about 200 billion market cap. You have Ethereum slightly down by 287. I don't know what's happens to Ethereum. I mean, it just touches about 300 and comes back to below 300, and I think it's mainly because of Bitcoin right now. The Bitcoin is actually going higher and higher, and whenever the Bitcoin price goes up, we definitely do see the altcoins coming down. So one of those things you have. So very close to 7,000 US dollar right now. Bitcoin Cash also rising. Just imagine if you are holding Bitcoin on 1st of August, you have Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. What's the total price? It's about $7,500 already per Bitcoin. And then you have Bitcoin Gold coming, then you have Segwit coming. Guys, this is amazing, right? Let's have a look at the other cryptocurrencies. So nothing much to see. If you see everything else is down in minus 4.4%, 4%, minus 10%, Neo minus 10%. Oh, this is a good price. This is amazing price for Neo, guys. This is great price for Neo, right? And everything is down, everything is minus, everything is minus consistently. Umisgo has come down to $5. This is crazy. So all coins are bleeding, guys. All coins are bleeding big time. Oh, look at this. Everything in minus, everything in minus. It's Bitcoin which is ruling the market big time. 11%. You have, oh, let's see if you have some big gainers here. All you see is a losers. So 24%, minus 34%. Oh, this one is gone up by 35%, and minus 22%. And yeah, let's get into the news. So this is what it is. The Bitcoin hits all new time high as CME Group announces future trading. Now, what is CME Group? So I have a video here that talks about the CEO of CME Group, which stands for what? It stands for it's an American financial market company operating in the world's largest options and future trading. They are just about to list Bitcoin as a future trading on their platform. Guys, we have been hearing whether whether the Bitcoin can go mainstream, but this is the one of the biggest sign. Let's have a look at this news on Bloomberg by the CEO itself.
In a change of policy, the world's biggest exchange owner announced it plans to introduce Bitcoin futures by year end. The cryptocurrency jumped on the news, reaching an all-time high of more than $6,400. Let's bring in CME Chairman and CEO Terry Duffy now to discuss. And Terry, this is huge news because for so many people who are enamored by Bitcoin and want to trade it, this seems
the CEO of CME Group, guys.
It's like the biggest institutional endorsement of Bitcoin that we've seen yet. Not so long ago, though, you were kind of cautious on Bitcoin derivatives. So for a lot of people, it can seem like a 180. What changed? What made you decide to launch these futures products?
Well, Scarlett, first, thanks for having me on. And this is kind of trivial news compared to what you just reported on earlier, what's going on in Lower Manhattan. So our thoughts and prayers go out to all those that are affected by another senseless act that happened. So that being said, I'll proceed with your question. And, you know, first of all, CME Group is always looking to bring new products to the marketplace. And we have seen a pent-up demand by clients for, you know, quite some time now, Scarlett. And this is a story that just hasn't gone away. So constantly getting calls from clients about how we're going to list this product. And, you know, I was not as excited about the product, to your point earlier, but then when you look at the way our model works and what we can apply to that to this product, I think it's a lot different than some of.
As the CEO of CME Group, he's saying that he's going to list Bitcoin as a futures on Wall Street, and there's nothing news here. And again, he was against Bitcoin a couple of years back. He made some statements which was like Bitcoin may not be a currency, may not be a future. Now it's the same guy who is going to list it on one of the largest financial institute of the world as a future trading. This is amazing news. Look at this one. The new Wall Street buzzword, Bitcoin. This is all happening in 2017. This is one of the biggest year, right from $1,000 right now close to $7,000, guys. So this is great news, and this came out yesterday about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and that is when we saw the price rising once again for Bitcoin. And do let me know what you feel about it. Do let me know in your comments, what do you think? What do you think the price is going to be in the next 2 months? What price is Bitcoin going to end this year at, right? And yes, that's a very interesting. I'm going to keep this video very short. I have the rest of the news which I'll cover in my next video, but this is going to be entirely covering on the Wall Street, the Bitcoin future being traded on Wall Street, very soon to be traded on Wall Street, right? This is another news which says the next generation of Canadian bank customers want Bitcoin. The Canada has been one of those countries which have been early adopters of cryptocurrencies, and Bitcoin, they have numbers of Bitcoin ATMs in Canada, and it's already clear that there is an institute called Mogo Finance Technology. Is a Canadian online lender which is going to list Bitcoin as one of the currencies on their platform, right? So investors reward businesses offering Bitcoin. As we continue to roll out new projects such as Bitcoin wallets, people are realizing that we are truly on this platform company, and the obviously is a part of what people are starting to appreciate in the market. So if you're a Bitcoin holder, this is amazing news, right? Do share your opinion and thoughts in the comment box below, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will leave all these links in the description below. Go ahead and check them all, and hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Take care, guys, and let's welcome to the future. Thank you.